Hi guys, we're back at the fourth and the last one. And also, hey guys, make sure to like and subscribe and smash the bell. Thanks. Alright, let's get started on the last part of Miner-Cat 3. Oh. I gotta get the... weapons. Gotta get a better one. 75, 1 billion. I got obsidian. Why is there like a grey stick? Instead of the wooden sticks like that one. Ooh. Such a game. No, I went ooh. Oh, no. And guys, so you know, the next video will be about Nerf World. Well, I've already done like 3 or 2 parts. Yeah, 3. I'll do the rest of it, guys. Because I'm going to try and get to the Nerf Dragon. Defeat it eventually. Oh, yo, this is an instant mine. Yo, I think this might be one of the shortest videos. Yeah, this has to be one of my shortest videos if I'm on this clip. Is there another layer? Or this is the last layer? I think it might be the last. We haven't done like the orange layer. Should be in orange after the red instead of yellow. I wonder. How would I pass? Guys, I don't know. My God, I don't see achievements. I haven't bought that. 1 hour! Settings. That's my FPS. Not very smooth. The maximum only is 37 FPS, so not much. 60 is way more smoother. Ooh! Yeah, this is definitely going to be one of my shortest videos. Miner-Cat says hello. Now you didn't say hello anymore. Oh! I know. And guess what, bruh? It's time to demolish it. I'm gonna buy so many bombs. And I'm just gonna keep on laying them down. Okay. Yo, this is so cool. yo! More expensive means more bombs. I spend so much money putting it away until I'm broke. With no money left to buy this amount of bombs. 99 bombs. My money. Alright. Time to chuck them down there. Chuck them there. Hold chucking them there. Keep on chucking. Yo, all these bombs are gone! This will be longer just chucking these bombs here. I just hear explosions though. And next, I'm just gonna jump down there to see which layer we go up to. And the FPS is under 30. Oh, and that's at 30. This is gonna take forever. Well, at least it expands the video. But that video, otherwise the video will be very short. I think I see explosions down there. Getting a bit angry. It's Angry Cats. Alright. The bombs have stopped. Oh yo. Damn. I'm actually just jumping on water. They made it all the way down to the red layer. But this is so worth it. Oh, I don't have enough. I'll expand the video again by adding bombs in. Let's see what layer reaches up this time. So all the way down to the red. Now see if it gets all the way down to purple. There's like 4 blocks every explosion. All I can hear right now is explosions. I don't think you can actually hear me. The light is shining very bright. It's beaming lasers. Oh no, it's getting affected by the lasers. He looks through the lasers. He so wonders what's down there. And guess what's down there? I got no idea. Oh yes. I thought it was specials. Oh. All the way down to the purple. That's funny. Alright, that'll be the end of Minecat, I guess. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and break the bell. See you in another Scratch adventure.